Hello students, hope you all are fine. In the last class we saw how to represent an irrational number on the number line. If you have not seen that video, I would request you to see that video first before attempting the first question of today's class. So the first question is to represent 1 plus root 9.5 on the number line. If you have seen the last video, you must be knowing how to represent root 9.5 on the number line. There I have given you the formula. If you want a perpendicular of root x, you must have hypotenuse of x plus 1 by 2 and base of x minus 1 by 2. So here x is what? 9.5. Put this value, you can get how much hypotenuse you should have and how much base you should have to get this square root of 9.5. When you will be able to get this length of perpendicular 9.5, you can put a center of your compass here and draw the same length on the line, on the number line, and this length will be your 9.5 represented on the number line. Sorry, square root of 9.5 represented on the number line, because this is this length is root 9.5. So how we draw this? I will not go into much detail because I have already taken a detailed class of that in the last video. Take 2 points AB such that this length should be 9.5. This should be 1 unit. This should be 9.5 units. This unit can be centimeter. Then this will also be in centimeter. If this is in, you are taking it in inch, then it will also be in inch. It should be, the unit should be uniform. If you are taking 2 centimeter as 1, this should be reflected all around the line. Everywhere this 2 centimeters should represent 1 unit. So the marking should be uniform. See, now when you have taken this AB of 9.5, that is required length, plus 1 unit extra B to C, you draw perpendicular bisector of A to C, not A to B, A to C, complete length 10.5. It should fall somewhere around this place. So you get this point O, this is 10.5 by 2, this is again 10.5 by 2. This length is 1, so this is 10.5 by 2 minus 1, that is 10.5 minus 2 by 2, that means 8.5 by 2. So what you do next? You draw a perpendicular over here. And you also need to draw a semicircle taking O as center and OA as radius. You can draw this later on also after drawing the semicircle. So the point where it intersects, this length you will get, this length, suppose this is D, then BD is equals to square root of 9.5, the required length. You will take this length, putting this as B as center, opening an arc of BD, drawing it and making it fall over the line, number line. So suppose this is D dash, then BD dash will be your representation of root 9.5 on the number line. Now the question is saying 1 plus root 9.5, and most of the students get confused because of this addition of 1. because 1 is a rational number, this is irrational, and rational plus irrational is irrational. The whole number is irrational. But this addition of 1 makes it a little confusing. So do not get confused. You have taken 9.5 square root, the length of square root 9.5. You only have to add 1 unit to it. So 1 unit can be from here also. From here you take 1 unit. Suppose this is P, this is 1 unit. So now B to P, how much is this length? Now B to P is 1 plus square root of 9.5. So from B to P you have represented 1 plus square root of 9.5. This is how you can represent 1 plus root 9.5. This is how you solve question number 1. Moving on to question number 2. Locate 3.895 on number line. See, there are 3 digits after decimal. So it is difficult to represent in a normal way. So what you can do successive magnification method. What is successive magnification method? Successive, that means it will not be in one step, it will be in successive steps. So you have to follow a series of steps while solving this question. See, 3.895, what comes first? 3. Is it in the right of 3 or in the left of 3? It has exceeded 3 and going towards 4, so it is in the left of 3. So that means it is between 3 to 4, between 3 and 4. First step will be, it is located between 3 and 4. Now you have drawn this 3 and 4, where it will lie. Next is 3.895. So if you draw 3 here and if you draw 4 here and divide it into 10 equal parts, where will this lie? After 8th position. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Suppose 8 is here. So 3.8 is here and it is between 3.8 and 3.9. So 3.9 is here. Next, you will draw 3.8 and 3.9. Where in this line it lies? Between, this is 3.895. So 3.895. It has crossed. 3.9 it has not yet begun. So if you divide this into 10 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10th itself. So this will be 9th part. After 9th part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Between this and 3.9 it will lie. 3.9 is what? 3.9 is 900. This is 3.800. For your better understanding, for your easier understanding, we can take any number of zeros after decimal. When the digits end, it does not affect the number. It does not affect the value of number. So this is your 3.890 and this is your 3.900. Next will be, you will be drawing this 3.890 and 3.900 and this will be the fifth or the half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10th is itself 1.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sorry 5 is here only. So this is 3.895. This is how you represent it, but for this you will draw first line. Suppose it is zero is here, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So you are drawing 3 and 4. So put an arrow over here. That this 3 goes this place. Do not show the arrow heading. This is 3. This is 3. And what is 4? 4 is this place. This shows what? This shows that you have magnified this space, because this space is too small, so you have magnified Otherwise, it is very difficult when you take this much as 1 unit. It will be very difficult for you to locate this point on your page of your sheet or copy. And again, you have magnified this 3 and 4. Now you are magnifying 3.8. So 3.8 is here and 3.9 is here. Between these two extreme ends, you are finding out the number. Again, 3.890 is this and 3.90 is this. So in this way, you get it. You start getting it magnified and magnified and magnified. So this is successive magnification. One by one, you are magnifying it. So this is your successive magnification method, and using this method you can solve this. Next, present them on the number line up to 4 places of decimal. See, 2.32, 4 places of decimal. What it will be? It is, this number is 2.32222, and we have to take only 4 places after decimal. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Remove them. You have to represent this point only. This question is similar to this question. You can use successive magnification method and solve this. Similarly, next question is 4.67. Here 6, 7 both are repeating. So what it will be? It will be 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7 and so on. So up to 4 places only. So up to 4 places, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places after decimal. You have to represent this number. The question is asking to represent this number. Again, you can use successive magnification method. Again, repeating how you will represent. So if you solve this question number 2, question number 3 is already solved. Locate 3.895. So first see where the first one is 3. Where 3 lies? Between 3 and 4. Between 3 and 4. Draw a normal line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. It lies between this and this. Do not mark circle over here like I am marking, because I am just showing you. But this arrow you have to mark in your exams whenever it is asked. So it is between 3 and 4. Now the entire length will be from 3 to 4. This is 3 and this is 4. This is 4 and this is 3. Do not put arrow mark here. The books do not suggest this. So this is 3 and this is 4. You have widened the gap. Now what is left? 0.895. Where does this 8 lie? The 8th part, if it is 3.800, forget about the other digits. 3.800 is nothing. So how you will represent 3.8? You will represent 3.8 by using this method. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So the 8th part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is what? This is your 3.8. Where will this lie? Now see, it is 3. One by one you have to go. First 3 you saw, then you saw 8, then 8, 9. Where will 8, 9 lie? 8, 9 also has next digit, that is 5. This is not completely 3.890. So 3.8 is here and 3.9 is here. This point will lie between this 3.89. Where will it lie? It will lie between 3.80 and 3.90. So first step you saw 3, then you saw 3.8, then you saw 3.89. So leave it for now. We are seeing just 3.89. So first we saw 3, then 3.8, then 3.89. 3.89 is between this. So magnify this. So next time will comprise of, at the beginning it will be 3.8 and at the end it will be 3.9. This 3.8 is here and 3.9 is here. Okay. So 3.89, this will be 3.81, 3.82 and so on. Divided in 10 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we have 3.89. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3.89 is here. 3.89 is here. And 3.90 is here. 3.9 or 3.90. Now see what is the last digit. Last digit is 3.895. So last digit is 5. So this is nothing but 3.890. This is 900. Where does this 3.895 lie? Between this and this. So magnify them. First draw the line. I hope you are able to see. Yes, you are able to see. So 3.890 is here. 3.900 is here. 3.895 will lie. 3.891, 3.892, 3.893, 3.899 and 3.900. So from mark it in 10 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 3.895 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you have 3.895. This is 3.890. This is 3.89. 3.9. So what we require to show? We require to represent this 3.895. We have successfully represented 3.895. This is how you can represent such type of numbers on the number line using successive magnification method. Clear up to this? Hope it is clear to all of you. Now the last question for today. Moving towards our last question. Represent in the P by Q form this and this. Let's take the first case. A equals to 1.323. Why I am solving this question for you? Because this question is a little different, needs your concept. See, this can be written as 1.323232 and so on. So can't you see it can be written as 1 point, since 32 is repeating. It can also be written as this number 1.32 bar over 32. So if this implies A equals to this, now 10A will 10A, no, 100A, because we need to shift it 2 places. This will be 132.32. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. 2 minus 1 you will get. 2 minus 1 will imply what? 100A minus A equals to 132.32 bar minus 1.32 bar. So this will be your 131 and this is 99A. So 99A, the value of 99A is 131. So value of A equals to 131 by 99 by transposing 99 to the opposite side. So A is what? A is our original number which we desired 1.323, this is equal to 131 by 99. So this way you can convert it into the form of P by Q. Now the very last question. This is a little different. A equals to 1.312. Here 1 2 is repeating. So 1.312 and so on. Here you cannot take 1.31. You cannot put a bar over 0.31 because it will be a very different number. 3 is not repeating. So in this case, what you have to take? You have to take first 10a, because the repetition will start from 1 and go to 2. So 1 2 will be repeated. So first bring this 3 out of this case to get a normal case. The case where we were taking a equals to what? A equals to, in the normal case, what we were taking? X point y bar, this form. So if we multiply it by 10, we will get this form, 13.121212 and so on, that is 13.12 bar. So you have got this form. Now this point question will be easier for you. Now what we do? For 2 digits, 2 zeros, 10 it was already, and multiply by 100 it become 1000. 1000 equals to 1312 and 0.121212 and so on. So taking equation 1 and taking equation 2. Now 2 minus 1. This implies 1000a minus 10a equals to 1312.12 bar and minus 13.12 bar. From here you will get 990a equals to, this bar will get cancelled over and this will be 1312 minus 13. If you subtract 12, it will be 1300, and one more you have to subtract, so it will be 1299. A equals to 1299 by 990 by transposing. So A, what is A? A was the original question, that is 1.312 bar over it, bar over 12 only. So this we have converted to P by Q form. That is what the question was asking us, and we have satisfied the question with our answer. This is how these questions are solved. Hope number system, whatever I have taught you so far, you can easily solve the questions of those exercises till now. Next we will study about the rationalization. Rationalization is nothing but removing the roots from the denominator. Suppose you have 4 by root 3. I want to make this denominator free of roots. What we can do? We can multiply it by 1. Any number multiplied by 1 is the number itself. There is no change in the number. We can write 1 as root 3 by root 3. It is obviously 1. This will be 4 root 3 and this will be root 3 square. Root 3 square, whenever you square a root, it becomes, the number comes out of root. So this will be 4 root 3 and this will be 3. So you got 4 by 3 root 3. Numerator still you have root, but denominator you have made free of roots. So to make the denominator free of root, this is rationalization. So we will study about this in our next class. Till now, this is it. Take care.